How to fix Google Play Store is not responding problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option. Then scroll down, go to apps option. Click on search option. Now search Google Play. Now first click on Google Play service. Then click on force stop. Click on OK. Then go to storage option. Now click on clear cache. And then go back. Now go to Google Play Store option. Go to storage option. Click on clear data. Click on delete. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Then go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Play Store and say problem solved successfully.